How to fix Klarna purchase not showing up. In order for you to fix this issue, first thing first, head over to your app store. Once you're in here, in the source bar, search for Klarna. Move into this app. Right here instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you're having this issue. If that's the case, tap on update and update your app. Once you've got the updated version, the next thing you want to do is move into the settings of a device. Head over to General, and then move into iPhone storage. In here, search for the application Klarna, and then move into it. Now click on Offload App, and then once again, click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing in this app. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.